As the snow melts and springtime creeps in, the race to prepare for the upcoming season begins.
With inflation through the roof and the cost of goods, groceries, gas, and more rising every day, we've set a challenge for ourselves. We want to reduce our spending to the bare necessities, pay off all of our debt, yes, including our mortgage, and grow all of our own food.
We even killed the corn. Didn't know you could kill corn.
Well, we can try anyway. I'm Ben Cummings, and welcome to our homestead. Welcome to Homegrown.
In the house while Ben does all the hard work, but I should probably go help him out. We had just gotten back from town from collecting pallets, and I was more than ready to get rid of the lawn couch that I'd been looking at all winter. Lied, maybe he's not doing all the hard work. Maybe I'm gonna have to do it.
Wasn't trying to get my numbers up. You know I keep it cool. I prefer to stay in the cut.
I told the camera that you were doing all the hard work, and then I came out and you weren't doing all the hard work.
But then I saw your
It may look like I'm not doing much of anything, but I can assure you earlier I was indeed working. However, we'll let Nicole have her fun.
Now that the lawn couch was finally away, I thought we were making pretty good progress, but looking back at it now, I realize how both Ben and I just jump from task to task. It's a wonder how we get anything done.
I get plenty done, thank you very much.
I'm gonna find something else to do. We have some raised garden beds up there, and we're wanting just to rake all this stuff up and put them in the bottom of the raised garden beds.
Don't wanna lead you on. Don't wanna push a feeling and make the feeling go. You see, I got your number, but still I ain't used to phone. No, I let it breathe for a minute, baby. Next thing I know, you call me. Damn. One thing I know about love, you never know when it's coming.
And just like that, I went from raking up the leaves to randomly moving the fire barrel across the lawn.
Never fall back. We will stay right where we at. We never fall back.
Yeah?
Are you gonna fall off?
No?
It's funnier than the actual shot. Yeah.
Behind the scenes.
We never fall back. And you can find me where I'm at. We never fall back. Come up with a game plan. Double XL up in the
Came at ya.
Remember the leaves I was raking? Well, apparently I didn't, because now I'm making raised garden beds. What are you doing? We got these guys behind us that I'm going to cut up, and then basically we've got 1, 2, 3 planter boxes here to put, anything we want. Because we're not doing anything else with it.
Yeah, we never fall back. No lies on facts. We will stay right where we at. We never fall back. Yeah. We never fall back. And you can find me where I'm at. We never fall back. We never fall back. And you can find me where I'm at. We never fall back. Been way down, never falter. Came with the hands out, get them off us. I'm 24/7 in the office. Pay attention cause I ain't repeating offers. Yeah, never met a man I've been scared of.
Cut diagonally and bad, but it doesn't really matter. This is what we have. This one is upside down. Ugh. They got yuckies in it. Okay, that's why it was upside down. Note to self. Don't touch that one. Figure these buckets weren't doing us any good, so they are now raised garden beds. What do you need? He likes to go into Ben's trucks, so these are keeps them contained, so I can keep working for now. This is the fencing I worked on yesterday. Is it sideways? Yes. it functional? Kind of.
And you can find me where I'm at. We ain't never fall back.
I just realized I started this whole video to show you all the pallets we got, and I don't even think I showed you pallets. A lot of wood that we can reuse into things. All this stuff here is probably for another day because we still have a lot to do on the lawn, and well, not only that, I also lost Ben. I don't know where he went. It'll feel good to get rid of a bunch of this. We should probably go find Ben.
Despite jumping from task to task, we actually did get a lot done that day. A couple more days like this, just cleaning the lawn, and we will be set for summertime. Oh, and also, I didn't find Ben, so if anyone knows where he is, please call me.
I'm Ben, and this is Nicole and Sawyer.
Chicken, look out! Look out!
If you enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing. It helps us out and lets you see more of our videos. And leave a comment below. I might actually learn a thing or two.